How to fix Honor Magic 7 Wi-Fi keeps turning off. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then check your internet connection will be work properly or not. Open any browser and check your internet connection. Now here you can see my internet connection will be worked properly. After checking your internet connection, then open settings and then click on battery. Now here you can turn off your power saving mode. If you turn this button on, then turn it off. After turning off power saving mode, then go back and scroll down and click on system updates and then click on reset. Now here you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it and then again click on reset network settings. After reset the network settings, then check your software updates. Now go back and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update the latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.